जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 13th chapter ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಜ್ಞ ವಿಭಾಗ ಯೋಗಮು 15th ಶ್ಲೋಕ. ಗೀತಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I am disclosing the nature of Atma. Based on karma, whatever the body comes, when Atma is in that body, Atma is internally present in all 5 elements. And once that karma is done, Atma is externally present. And when Atma gets moksham, mukti, at that time, Atma becomes capable of taking any body at his will. At that time, Atma is present internally and externally. And when Atma is in the body, through that body, Atma goes here and there. And even if there is no body, Atma can move around. And Atma is so subtle. Because it is so subtle, common people, those who are ignorant, they cannot identify Atma is different from the body. And Atma cannot be perceived by those who does not do sadhana. It is like if there is anything very far distance, how that we cannot see that very clearly, so also for those who doesn't do any sadhana, for them Atma cannot be seen and Atma cannot be perceived. And for those who does sadhana, as and how if any object is very close to us, how clearly we can see, so also those sadhakas can perceive Atma very clearly. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma disclosing the real nature, original nature of Atma. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Bahirantascha bhutanam acharam charamevacha sukshmatvat tadavigneyam durasthancha antike cha tat. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.